Samoa Cares.
Climate adaptation, resilience and enhancement of Samoa. Effective waste management is achievable.
New and improved Lion Classic mosquito coils, exclusively distributed by Chenmao Company Limited.
Are you done, Cuz?
Just a little also back to New Zealand.
How about some hot umu of tar and banana?
Yeah, but I want something different.
Something hotter. Ngay whaalong mo na sauce feel wala Uncle Johnny's.
What is that?
It's a hot chili sauce from Uncle Johnny's. Full of flavor and heaps of heat.
Pemawai.
Emawai sauce falolo, full company for El Uncle Johnny's.
Oh, let's go.
Made with freshly harvested hot bird's eye chilies from our local farmers. Pickled to perfection with love and care by Uncle Johnny's.
Le whatalo from whawhelo ia tu lau mai moanga Samoa, malpuleanga wha aki e pikupo Samoa pia. Usi mai lau mai moa nisi neo whapopongo talo tautai mo le nea solulu, a solua sfulo Novema, lua afe lua wha. Momo atu i tato talo le fiafi, ta pena sui tau wā mo le tau wanga ai lau afi, ale kalapu ai lau ili whai ungo le vai aso. Katalina Tovia, mo le ripoti.
E tau whāsui le paenga mātua le atau wā le tau wanga i lau afi, ale kalapu ai lau afi Samoa le whai unga le vai aso nei.
Poi o line alim, e te sa mai tuwhi opa ma ngangai whalwhanga. Whai a Walter, o whai ule ota, i a tau mala whionga tuwhi opa, i a o lua taurua ni au tau sang. I a o loa vea umasui o le au tau wā le lau afi, i le siva afi.
Pa whalawa, i o roi ngoa, Jack Tai. Lipin to malatai, ki sa mele fia o ngā matautu, ma oi Madi o loingo come presi sa mai sini Australia ma im kau kai so varo tau sanga
O le aso atai au le ai a matalia e le tauanga si waafi a le kalapu ai lau. E ato ai le luas fulua tau sanga o le tauanga whawau malo. E au fiai le vaenga o whanawiti, e tawalunga le tauanga vaenga mātua e le aso tō nai. Mana whaari e lātou nei le atau vāle tāua tele le nei tāleni, ia i lātou malo lātou lumanai, malo lātou aua iai i le nei tau sanga.
O le whalau inoina tāleni a wāle, nisi alum whanau o lo whimana o eo mai. Ia ai, a vea ni tawanga ia kakai me konga ko lo kua wafo i leo mai au se la kulu mga imi mamia mo ainga ai misi lumai ka lesi. Ia of time of city o ke longot ka lengi leo o lau i loa o ko akile foi lau le au so whenga malanga ku yang kong mai sigu mai fafu Amerika ia. Ia langa le ke kam fai fo ia polear pulanga manguia ia ke longa fo iki ua ma woi fo se skon kala ke fafu ka ke alu ai ma. Ala fa manguia inga.
Ia kālingi ra si wafi e ko akele lava ka ngaka e le wa ai si ngalwenga ku mau ku se whai malanga ku ku mamau o le ngalwenga le e ku pelelei fo e au ngā fo e wakau singolo a inga maro muu
mai o le tāringi te o le aira wafi ko akele ara ngā ira uoranga ku puai me ka mai ki ke songi le Ade aira wafi penga ro pitia unga nera o ori ia skari te ke ngaro le aira wafi nga amaka me ira urang
O ila tau nei e toa whana a mata wha atinaina le nei tāleni ai lau mai le vaenga la Haiti ai le ngatai lea o se tāleni te tono a inga le au o la tau wha aua wina.
Tāleni lava se mato ai ngā tanu mai o lai titi mai o le ala vai tau awe ino se mato kwempa. Pia ngalana le utam fai e wane I mutali utam fai ngau tāleni. O le tāleni lo le ela wafi. Ia na amatalia mai au lai titi se me o le hiva o kausanga. Ia o man gaming o lo whaau lava. Ia o ai o se whaftai lava lea li o ngor tāleni mai lea li. Ia lea lava whau nā inga lava.
Ia o amakanga mai le isi wafi mai le kausanga luafe marifiku. Konga lai fiku kausanga ia sa o inga ue o anko e sofa ya miti to malatai wa leva foi nga fatingo inga kalingi ro si waf ia o vambale se full kausanga kalunga o sivar si wafi fa professional ia amaka ko ingi ka ko ye amaka ko ilalo aso solo la ia nga fai o ene ke manguia
Inga ko wa me dai ko ru ko sanga amaka me ro junja au ko sa ngi ko a pinga ro ngor ko ma ru ngo no su ko sanga ka ru ko ko ma I di siba neranga ro ko sa ngi ko fa ko ka ringa ro ko
Le ste me mo le wa tau wa I la tau nei ma le wa toi a wai fo I le nei tau sanga I le nau ta inga lava ia fa wa le tāleni ma ia fa tu mawina le siva sa mo wa la wino ai le langi ma wala mata pena fo I la tau mo le tau wanga o le alo atu ia I le aso atai au.
I nei usu lo mato tau vai le po momo ia. I tasi lava mato te mato mo te mito le afi. Mato tasi mato le usu umu. Pe wongo kau vanga kalungo kau va. Ke longa ro fiko kau vanga le la matalia ni. Ia te longa pawal mea fia io le sau tu le lotu atua I ma ko mo fo le a inga le ka sau ka kau va kau so se mea nga a inga
kau vanga le mo ka ya we ku ulo va ali e se me le manguia pa le a ka si me le ku wa ko maro camping pinganga ya nga la var cooling ile fa pingar cooling I fa pe ko ka si va so kau vanga cooling ya merka la fa nga I se le eu fi au fai lo manguia ia ko se eu ila var kau vanga ro ko kere sa mai fa fo mai ai ili lei fo au ro ko yengi e pawala le ku era se lau pasing
ko nga ko ring fi now awore give up or we give up really so me mo ku sa pe fa inka adu ye we de se me ke mo amasi fi de bun ngi bai kai fi now we
E se fulu afe tāla le tino e tupe mo le tūlanga mua le tauwanga, mai leo se taimi mua foi lea wa whaatautai ai lea tauwanga i te tono Samoa. Pe ona whalia le pulisile le kalapu ai lao leo talene leota. O le nau ta inga ia avea le tāle ni siva, ma ala o le manuia o te pulanga Samoa. Ai le ngatai lea o le whaatu mawina o le siva ai lao Samoa i lana nganuu, ua lauiloa ai le lalolangi. Talina tovia mo le tautai.
Isi o tala, malanga atu le palemia o Samoa i saina mo whiutana inga whaavao malo. Katalina tovia mo se autelenga o le reports.
Le aso lea taunu wai le whainga malanga le apionga le palemia fia me Naomi mata afa i lau whanua o saina. E tusai ma le wala au whaalo alo mai al palemia o saina ia Li Kiang. Reportia le televise ale Asia Today, le tausanga faulua a whelua lima, e atoa i aile lima sa fulu tausanga o le whainga paanga whaavao malo a saina ma Samoa. Ma o lea asia singa o lo malanga atuai le apionga le palemia, o le atala noa ina ai mata uputau i atina e o malo e lua. Awale si tia le tamawa inga matulanga tau ngali rue whapaanga o saina ma Samoa. O le teimi mua le nei wa asia tuai le palemia o Samoa i saina, i lona tofinga whapa le mia o Samoa. Ma o le asa lua se fuluvalo le masina le nei, ua fuafua to e tali mai ele whainga malanga i Samoa nei. Talina tovia mo le tautai.
Mai mo mai loa i tala le Pasifika mai a Katalina tovia.
Uncle Johnny's continue to bring you quality ice cream to ensure families have a great time when getting together. With delicious, yummy flavors of our nearest range of premium ice creams, Uncle Johnny's is all about making sure that our brand remains a family favorite. Uncle Johnny's ice cream is available at your favorite store nationwide. Visit any of the stores near you, or better yet, come to our Vitaly factory for your orders.
Tala flava se faliunga le nei tala mal Pasifika lo ripatia mai le teo fava malo New Zealand o mfayo na wina ati lango malo se company Uncle Johnny's. Tala te mua bata tala le whainga palo ta Amerika Samoa mo le filifilia o se na tawa vina le tofinga kovana ma le sui kovana mo le territory. Le asa tala mai le ono le tayao fa moe ta punia i le itulai ono le afiafi nei. Le whainga filifilinga le vai tuwe lua sa mo manunga palo ta na usia ni whainga palo ta le asolima o le masina nei. O pula ali ini ko la o pula mapulu ai junior o lo tau waa ma le manu peneti maunga ma la apui tala wenga e le asalo ale. Ma ua whautua ina tangata palota le komisino palota Dr. Lea Lofi winga le lei me yanga yatu e whaatino ala tau palota. E ono 10% o le se fululi maafe fasa lau fasa fululi mo sui palota na restala sa mawhaiona whaatino ala tau palota. I le palota sa whaatino ina le asolimo November. Ma ua mori mawina le paua le numero tangata sa whaatino ina ala tau palota. Pipotia le whaasao na nga isa tangata palota masa telefoni whea vea I te tonu ono whanga I whaatino ai le palota. Ina ua maitawina le tapu e tangata o ala tau palota matu I lunga o penga te whailangi. Whaali e le komisino palota e ono maua le unga le palota le itula se fulu I le poana nei. Whautua ina tinanta maita I Papua New Guinea ina yanga I aveni ala tau tuista sanga moa manoa whaleo leo mo le puipuinga le sanga le mua Papua New Guinea. I le whantanga le komiti o lo nafa mamta upu tau sawanga I te tonu a inga. Na wharia ia le whaatono o le komiti a Chris Kitoneka ina o le 5% le au whaingo tamaitai o lo ngā lulua I le ofisa o leo le puipuinga Papua New Guinea. E tusale ma le se laulima se furu leo tamaitai mai le tolu wafi o le au whaingo o leo. Manata ue Kitoneka o le au nanga wha leo e whaata wa ina ia tutusa tangata mai te taulawa I tamaitai o nanga ia sa ilia manoa I lea foi au nanga ina ia tutusa uma iai ali ima tamaitai. Tala ia le Pasifika mo le lea fiafi tau whaseifua.
Falava Samoa o a usina o ele mautino pe fa maunga mo o mia mo fatino ino la restala ia awe te pole e mo so soani mo oe a tele ia tova a mai fatino la restala siaki mo po wa atoa o bepa fa maunia mo o se whaamaoningo tangata no umoni o Samoa, pe o le pepa whanau, tusi whalau o lo o angapia, po se tusi whaamaonia e whaailoa ai o oe o le sitini Samoa. Lua, Filipilipo whele anga vai te whaongaina, a whape o oe o le matai, e mawhai o na restala i le nuu o lo e no whamauai, po o le nuu o lo whape o na e matai ai. Ai afa pe ele so matai o na ole no o e no whamauai mo le ono masina pesili atu e mawhai o na e restala ai. A e fia restala lo swafa matai e mo o mia lo pepa matai aloa ia. A e fia restala le no whamau e mawhai o na whamau ni ai vaenga nei. Tasi, laisene aveta avale, lua, pepa lisi po le pepa le whanua whaatau, tolu, pili al vai po le pili al moli, po se pepa tui o mo na whailunga ina. E mawhai fo iona e susu watu i whale restala o lo o anga i atu i tua, o lo i aisu i ali ima tamaitai o le nuu, e mawhai o na whaamau ni alo no whamau. Moni si whamatalanga wala au mai i le laina vili fua valu o valu bono valu solu, pe asi mai fo i le tata o ofisa o lo i moli nuu.
Talo soifuanga le Kalesia Katoliko Lalangi, Maya Charity Tuala le Misio.
Talo Flava Samoa, Male Pleang Fakipiko Samoa Pia, o talo soifuanga le Kalesia Katoliko, Mai Ima o le Lalangi. Eto moe tala, ka tina le filfilia o Kikiuchi, e tatau i le Kalesia on Savavali Fatasi le Famoimoe, Male Anganga o le Famausali. O le aki pikpo o Tokyo le ka tina le filfilia ia Isao Kikuchi na taita ina le sauningo le misa i le aso sulfito Novema. Patasi atu iai ma e pikpo Celso Bashwe a pia tangata au lotu ili patipatinga o le aso Myanmar. Sa fatasi ma le whapoptonga tangata anu Tokyo o lo i totono le malo o Myanmar. Whamanatu i launga o se tu maanga tausia le aso whapitoa o se whataua na mai tupuanga puleanga o lo whaipaanga man puleanga kolong o lo i siamani. O le aso whataua o Myanmar le Myanmar Day na amata ilwai taimi o ka tina le Shiraya Nagi whaasolo mai a Aki Pikpo Okada lea ua whaaua o lava i aso nei. I se waainga anga i tausinga puleanga i whaamtala ina le umi o na avea i mai ile e Kalesia o lo i Tokyo e langongo sua i vasenga i tama seminalio o lo i Myanmar o lo o tongisau i le whauina i whaapoptonga seminalio mo le whaapoptonga le Kalesia lea wano tatalo au ainga lea tua mo se file mo o Myanmar ma se whaatulanga mausali a o whea ngai ma whainga lea lofa mai militeli i leo tūlanga le Myanmar i le ning taimi whailoa mai e Bishop Celso na whaamalosi lo na ngā i ese mai le manamalu ma uano nofo whaatasi nei ma tangata o lo o i sola anga o le moni o lo o whaatinoina i le Kalesia le ngaluenga mo se file mo ai whaatea i le tupo mai o ni vevesi. O lo avea whaapoptonga le ave wheau le tala nei i lona tiute o se whaailo i lo mole ni waitau i lona manaonga e avea ma whaapoptonga e tau wala mai ai se whaamoimoinga mō tangata. Inisi o tala, leo staulang sili ia Aki Pikpo Shevchuk o le lotu enilani Katoliko o lo i Ukraine. Sana saunoanga a o lo fia i tātou i moana sau watinga o lo toloto i peo le whaamoimoe mo le malo o Ukraine. O le Aki Pikpo ia Major Sviatoslav Shevchuk na tala noa ngā i tūstala le Vatikano i ti ngā mapopoanga mai taua Ukraine ai peitai o lo o atata se whaamoimoe mo tangata o whaitau wafe aso o se whainga talo mai Februari lua. ma ua pangatia le atunuu. Tui ta ue le o se taulanga eleni o lo i le atunuu le le talia ina o ia taua. Whamtala ina o ni whaatinonga le mawhauwhau ma o ni ianga whaatou whanua. Tui whaafo ina maila na whaatala ula o lo o whaia ia masui o pelinga o tangata Ukraine a ngai i le lalolangi. Ia awane i latou tuulafo ina tangata o Ukraine. Awane i tuuana o i latou ia whaawau le tutu whaatasi tusa po le le oa po le tau tatala mai. O aso taitasi i le loto ti ngao tangata lea ua pasi le afe o aso o lo o whea ngai pea i le whaavawa ai ma o onga o tangata whasioti ma mea whaalea ngaina i le pitono. O le mea lo fasili mai le atua o le ola lea le ngaluenga le ikalesia ia lavea ina soifua ma maftianga o tangata ua o se mise te lio. Lea ua mulimultai le ikalesia i whaataita ingana mai a Yesu Kiriso. O le na sao mai puapuanga. Le sona mawaina mai lea ngaluenga le mawhai o na whai atu i le tangata ua le atotolo na tino mawhamanua lia. Ona o mafua anga mai tawa o lo o e mana atu i ona tinga. O le isi a o onga tusa pele mawhai o na whai atu se tala tau o le awai e taua ia i latou. O le ekalesia o se sakala meta o whailo ilo i le afio le li i ma i latou. Ma le taua i le mana o le whaangaina o le upo le li o lo iai le malosi o le atua o le ola le whaamoimoi ma tau maftanga mo le anganga o le tala ingo le upo le atua na o wa aia i wawenga whaaulaina mai ai unisi. Nona whanaunanga i le atunuu whaawau mai e whaasoa i le moni i le ola ina whaatasi o lo tūnanga o lo whiangai ma tangata lea ua whaalau tele atu i tua le au nanga mo tangata i toa tele o le atunuu po o le ekalisia foi. O le sanga i ma le tausinga anga le le mo i latou ua mawhai o na mālamlama ia Ukraine i aso nei i le o se whaafitauli ai o se vainga mo le whaalelenga. I tala whaaiu le aso lulu momu, le aso luas fulo novema, o whai maasa whamanatu e whaalon mia i kerisiano no whasiotia, o se whaalau i loa tausia whapoptonga le Aid to the Church in Need, po le ACN. E whai tau se lau man malu wha epic po, o isi o man malu, mata anga pa ia, ma le leo no whanga i le lalangi o le ato i mana tuaina i le aso lulu momu, le aso luas fulo le ni masina, le whaamnatu ina whaatausanga na atofa ina i whaapoptonga tamato psa le ACN. O se itu o whaalawiloa na mua i whaatu ina i whaapoptonga le i le tausanga lua fisfulwono. E toi whaamomo e la mepa mo e na whaatinga ina la tausa whaia sa wanga i tangata lotu. Whaapefo i le whaamnatu ina o le tau o le saulotonga o le au whaatuatua. Ia whaonga tutonunga le moina a ia tatausa o loto tangata. Talu mai ai lava na whaatoa teleina tangata a wai molea sa whaapitoa i kerisiano mai so se vai pono o lo tatou ke lope e moli talo sanga mo som tu whaafine na mali liu fasia masawa ina ona o le whaatoa tuanga. Nisi o sauninga whamanatu e tolu se lau o le awhatino ina mai i le silia o le luas fulo atunu. E awhi ai sauninga o misa o whaamtalanga, whapea whasalalanga tu sao o kono seti taina ma whewhaasoa inga whangasolonga mai le pokalame il vaiaso e mai le aso sfulwalu anga i le aso luas fulfa o le ni lava masina. O malo UK lo awhi ai le United States o Kanata au Setalia o Falani ma Sepania. Awhi ai Italia o Filipaina o Mexico, whaatasi ai ma Chile ma Colombia o lo o awai mo le whamanatunga. Le awangelo ma le aupa ia o mai le langi talo sia i mātou. O tala i roso i whanga le Kalesia Katoliko, whataitele langansua, mai le Jan Mouse Company Limited. Whamanuele atuea Samoa Mali Prianga, tō whaso i fo.
Marwhaiunga le nā tātou talo tautai mo le nea fiafi, e mo le atu whaktai a tātou sponsors, Fale Askulimi a Uncle Johnny, Kompania a Mau, Malmatanga Albenga puna o Fale nā turam sisi o manga. E manuia tele le nea fiafi Samoa, tō whaso i fua.
This is not the future that we imagine for our children.
And generations to come.
But this could be their reality and ours
if we don't act
now.
Littering is ruining our lands and oceans.
Literally.
It's killing marine life and suffocating ecosystems.
Polluting the water and soil that we depend on for our very existence.
Who cares? I do.
I care. We do. I do.
Samoa cares.
Climate adaptation, resilience and enhancement of Samoa. Effective waste management is achievable
if we all just do our part.
It's not too late.
We can work together now
for a healthier and cleaner Samoa. For a better tomorrow today.
I'm so hungry. I'm so bored. It's so hot today. I feel like some ice cream. Yeah! Uncle Johnny's ice cream. Yeah, they're the best. Yeah, let's get some Uncle Johnny's ice cream. Yeah. Yum, yum, nom, nom. Uncle Johnny's ice cream.
Hi guys.
Please, Mommy, please. We want some Uncle Johnny's ice cream.
There's simply nothing like a tasty Uncle Johnny's treat to beat the heat. Right, kids?
Flavors, colors. What's your favorite? I love chocolate, vanilla, pineapple.
How about strawberry, banana, and crepe?
It's so fun, fun, fun. It's so yum, yum, yum.
Uncle Johnny's ice cream available in all your favorite flavors. Also serving you at Vitelli from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Mondays to Fridays and 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturdays.
Juice for the animal-loving kid. Jungle juice. Orange, apple, mango, grapes, pineapple, guayabano. Jungle juice. Exclusively distributed by Chan Mao Company Limited.
Fautuanga. Pe a whai e wha umi na a fia le whulu māsani. E fautuaina le wha anofo e sea i lo whale ina ne ia a fia nisi tangata o le a inga ai mai se tamaiti. Ia wha awa wina pele inuino fuala au, mo ilatou e iai ngase tu mau. Ia lava le malolo ma whai le tali fofonga i temi uma. Ia whai ni au wha atinonga wha fia fia ilo ma fau. E peo le whai tautusi, ma whai sautatalo. Ia tele le tau mawhai fuala au aina suomalie, ma fuala au aina mata. Tā ofi le ulola te paa male inu ava malosi. A whai wa e tinga ina le whulu māsani, vave va ai se fo mai, po se fale mai la tane. Tā ofi le pepesi o le whulu, let's do it for Samoa.
Greetings and Salafalava Samoa and the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia. Here's another edition of our Tautai News for this Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024. Leading on our bulletins for tonight, the Fire Knife Dancers prepares for the Arilao Club Sivafi competition this weekend. Catalina Tovia with that report.
There are 4 senior fire knife dancers who will compete in the senior division for the 22nd Sivafi International Competition tomorrow. The competition will be in 3 days from Thursday till the finale on Saturday at the Sivafi Entertainment Center. The 4 senior competitors are Lene Alema, 28 years old from Tufui Opa, and Ngangai Forifanga, 23-year-old Walter Leota from Tufui Opa, Chaktai Laban, 24 years old of Matao Tutai and Malie, and Kome Perese, 18-year-old from Matautu and Sydney, Australia. Most of the seniors became members of the Sivafi Club when they were young and started their fire dancing careers. The 4 competitors were hailed from a long line of Sivafi icons and champions. No matter how much pressure they feel, they know it's very important to represent their families and keep the Samoan legacy. This competition is the biggest challenge for some, but they felt so grateful to be able to enter it. The competitors stated it took a lot of training and they make sure to practice day and night. It definitely was not easy, but they learned that consistency is the key. The competition, its 22nd year, has seen various champions, especially young street vendors being taught the art of fire knife dancing. Many performers have emerged from the local competitions and are performing on the international stage. Sivafi General Manager and Organizer Leota Lene Leota stated, "It is always good to see performers make a name for themselves. That's also the story with Sivafi. Wherever they take fire knife dancing, people will always know that this is a Samoan traditional dance." Leota believes that Sivafi needs to be conserved, just like the Malu and Tatau, because it's a special traditional dance that brings people of the world to Samoa. Talina Tovia for Tautai News.
In other news, the Honourable Prime Minister of Samoa, Fiame Naomi Mataafa, is on her first ever state visit to the People's Republic of China. Catalina Tovia with that report.
Honourable Prime Minister Fiame Naomi Mataafa will be in China from 20th to 28th of November at the invitation of China's Premier Li Qiang. Next year, Samoa and China will celebrate 50th years since the establishment of diplomatic ties. According to Asia Today Television, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Jin Lian announced in a press conference on Monday that this anniversary presents new opportunities for the development of bilateral relations between the two countries. Through this visit, China stands ready to deepen political mutual trust, expand practical cooperation, build a closer cultural and people-to-people bond, and enhance mutual learning between civilizations with Samoa to further enrich the comprehensive strategic partnership and jointly build an even closer community with a shared future between China and Pacific Island countries. Samoa was one of the first Pacific Island countries to establish diplomatic ties with China. Tanina Tovia for Tautai News.
And that concludes our Tautai News for this evening. We wish to acknowledge our sponsors, Uncle Johnny's Ice Cream Factory, Chen Mao's Company Limited, and the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. Have a blessed evening, Samoa. Tofa Soifua.
This is not the future that we imagine for our children.
And generations to come.
But this could be their reality and ours
if we don't act
now.
Littering is ruining our lands and oceans.
Literally.
It's killing marine life and suffocating ecosystems.
Polluting the water and soil that we depend on for our very existence.
Who cares? I do.
I care. We do. I do.
Samoa cares.
Climate adaptation, resilience and enhancement of Samoa. Effective waste management is achievable
if we all just do our part.
It's not too late.
We can work together now
for a healthier and cleaner Samoa. For a better tomorrow, today.
Juice for the animal-loving kid. Jungle. Jungle juice. Orange, apple, mango, grapes, pineapple, guayabano. Jungle. Jungle. Jungle juice. Exclusively distributed by Chan Mao Company Limited.
Are you done, Cuz?
Just a little also back to New Zealand.
How about some hot umu of tar and banana?
Yeah, but I want something different.
Something hotter. Ngai whaalongo na sauce for Uncle Johnny's.
What is that?
It's a hot chili sauce from Uncle Johnny's. Full of flavor and heaps of heat. Emma sauce for Lolo. For company for Uncle Johnny's.
Oh, let's go.
Made with freshly harvested hot bird's eye chilies from our local farmers. Pickled to perfection with love and care by Uncle Johnny's.
Tarofa lapa. O le officiale nei o fai numero fa mauina. O lo iei fa mau matarua. Malo i. O le manuia o sio tatou atinu.
Whaataita inga. O le whaamau maunga o te mau ainga o Samoa. Maona vaenga ese. E au fia ai fe whaatawa inga mātunu i whafu. Masuinga i tau o loa mau au nanga. O nei fe suia inga. E a fia ai tupe maua ma tupe whahalu o tangata lau tele. E mātou te tuu whaatasia fo i whaamau maunga o tupe al malo. Ina ia mawhai o na mata i tuina ai. Fuafuanga mamau. Mo le atina e ina o Samoa. E lua se lau ma le 5 afe, 5 se lau ma le 5 sepulu fitu. Le whaitau au whai o le tatou watunu. E te sila fia la, o le to o tele o lea whaitau au whai. O ta maiti pepe a ngā i le se fulu whātau sanga le matutua. O le tā ua o whaamaumaunga nei, e whesosoani le i tupe whahalu o le tatou malo. Au wāti na e tau wawa onga, o le whaatuptupula ia o le ola o oina. Māti na e tau wawa onga. O se tasi lea o i tu e tele ai fo ia wanoa whainga luenga mō tangata nuku o Samoa.
O le ofisa fo ile nei, he restala ina i pepe whanau mai, ma tuu ina tuaila tau pepe whanau. O le pepe whanau fo ile nā, he te anga wa ai restala mō lau National ID. O nei au nanga tau pepe whaamaonia, e whaawhaingo fia ai o na whaamaonia o e i whale tupe, a onga, whale mai, ma isi au nanga tatou mālo. E sosoani tele, mo e whaongaina au nanga tau tupe whaamori. O le ofisa au tuo o whaingo mera whaamawina, o lo i whonga whatatasi o le whalo le mālo i matangi ala lua. O ona la lai whatatupe o tina ai savalalu, ma le maketi sa le logo i savai. E tele isi au nanga whaamaumaunga lo whaatino ina le mato ofisa, ai mo nisi whaamtalanga ma whaalawiloa atili. Mole whaasota i mai le numero telefoni 10200 o isi numero ma e-maili o loo lisi ngātu.
O le suavai o se oa whaale natura e mana o mia so o se tangata soifua. O lea e te tau ai so o se tangata. O na a puti puti ma wha o ngā te tau ina ia maua pe taimi uma. Ai mai sei vai taimi mo ngā la. E uti uti ai le suavai maua. E wha atau aina le tapeo paipa pe a le wha o ngā aina. Wha le lei paipolo o liki masao mai ai se suavai. Wha o ngā apala popoa. E wha mama ai ipu matanga mea. Wha mole mole li poti le pulenga le suavai mo se paipa pa. Samoa, wha o ngā te tau ma wha sao le suavai. Leo na mo tātou nei. Ai mo a tātou whanau I le lumanai.
Expression of interest for external auditor. Background. First, the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia, a fully registered charitable trust, is the governing body of the Catholic Church in the independent state of Samoa. 2. In accordance with its mission and mandates, and in compliance with its financial obligations and requirements, the Archdiocese is seeking the service of an independent external auditor to carry out the audits of all its financial statements for the financial years ending on 31st of December 2024, 2025, and 2026. Objectives of the audit. First, the objective of the audit of the Archdiocese's financial statements is to enable the auditors to express an independent, professional opinion on the financial position of the Archdiocese and to ensure that the funds are accounted for and utilized in accordance with the approved budget for the relevant financial year and in line with the mission and values of the Church. 2. That the operation of the Archdiocese is in compliance with the requirements of the approved finance manual of the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia, that the documented processes and procedures are observed and complied with throughout the day-to-day operation of the office of the Archdiocese. 3. That the requirements of international accounting standards are adhered to and strictly complied with. 4. That all financial reports must be presented in accordance with the requirements of the International Financial Reporting Standards and other requirements of the Samoa Institute of Accountants. Audit duration. The audit work shall be completed within 2 weeks from the date of commencement of the audit. Deliverables. First, the auditors on completion of the audit work will submit the original copy of the audit report appended to the audited financial statements, along with the reports, to the attention of the Finance Council and the Archbishop. 2. Management's letter in accordance with the scope of work described in the terms of reference for the external auditors. Qualification of audit firms. All licensed auditing firms based in Samoa and fully accredited by the Samoa Institute of Accountants are eligible to register an expression of interest. Audit fees. The audit fees will be fixed throughout the 3-year engagement and will be set by the Finance Council at the end of this competitive bidding process. Submission of expression of interest. Interested auditing firms are invited to pick up the terms of reference and other relevant documents from the Finance Office of the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia and Mulivai Tonga Fuafua. All submissions must be addressed to the Chairperson, Finance Council, Archdiocese of Samoa Pia, Mulivai Pia. Closing date. All expression of interest must be submitted by 4 p.m. on Friday, 6th of December 2024, to the Finance Office of the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia, Mulivai Tonga Fuafua. Whawhetai, Finance Department, Archdiocese of Samoa. Sale by tender. The Archdiocese of Samoa Pia wishes to invite tenders for the sale of the following used vehicles on whereas-is basis. Model and details. 1. Mitsubishi Pajero 2018. Condition: excellent conditions, fully loaded and fully operational. Minimum bid: 30,000 tala. 2. Mazda Biante 2017. Condition: good condition, operational, minor repairs. Minimum bid: 8,000 tala. Tender terms and conditions. First, both vehicles are currently being used by the Office of the Archdiocese. 2. Vehicles can be inspected at the Office of the Archdiocese at Mulivai, Tonga Fuafua Pia. 3. Interested bidders are required to uplift tender documents, etc. from the Finance Office of the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia, St. Anne's Building, Mulivai. 4. Tender bid must be in a sealed envelope addressed to the Chief Financial Officer and must be clearly marked tender for Mitsubishi Pajero 2018 or tender for Mazda Biante 2017 or tender for both vehicles if tendering for both. 5. All tenders must be delivered to the Finance Office of the Archdiocese of Samoa Pia, St. Anne's Building, Mulivai by 4 p.m. on Friday, 29th of November 2024. 6. The Tenders Committee reserves the right to reject any tender that does not comply with the above requirements. For more information, please contact Tanuwasa Awapa'au Puni Jong Wong at 20400 extension 108 or email pjongwong at aosacatholic.ws. Fafitai, Chief Financial Officer, Archdiocese of Samoa Pia.
Whasilisiranga tāua, mō fō mai tū maoti whapea le mamalo le tunu. Tāu fia le tū mau wha ata o whemalanga inga, inisiua mga luenga whaavai taimi. E ia te au le awa ma le whaaloalo tele, e whaailoa tuai le mamalo le tunu. O le tāpulia le tū mau ai o a tātou au nanga i peo na tāua i lunga. E a mata atu i le asotofi, asofito novema lua afe lua sifurmalifaa. O loo ngā lulue nei inisinia mai whafo, mō le wha ale leia o le tātou porkalame, na afia i le pē whaafua se ia i o le eletise, i le lua ma yaso taluai. E wha malulu atu i le mamalu o le atunuu, wha pēa au nanga fo mai tū maoti, o na o le neitu langa le maalofia. O le atu e wha ilo atu le aso e toe amatalia ai le nei au nanga. Whaia mal wha alo tele, ai ono Dr. Alakeke Roma, whaatonu sili au ao, Officer Sili soifua maloloina. Public notice to all general practitioners and public. Temporary suspension of non-medical x-rays. The Ministry of Health wishes to inform the public that non-medical x-ray services, including those for immigration, insurance, quota, and recognized seasonal employer, RSE, scheme will be temporarily suspended starting Thursday, 7th of November 2024, until further notice. This temporary suspension is necessary to allow system engineers to conduct a thorough maintenance check on the radiology system following unexpected power outages experienced over the past 2 weeks. We apologize for any inconvenience caused and appreciate your understanding and patience as we work to ensure the safety and reliability of our radiology services. Further updates will be provided as soon as services are restored. Thank you for your cooperation. I honor Dr. Alakeke Roma, Director General of Health, Chief Executive Officer.
Loma, 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 Ta whai whali ia le tama na apo I whanga. Ne ua malu tō whinga o le whalenga ngaifo le maunga. A wā, ua pasi oa pā I oa. Le tau tai noho no whoa o la le ngā tai whale o le tangaloa. Ua pa ia oe Samoa. O le atunu ua uma no tofi. O le waa tau tai ola. O le upenga mafola. Mai lava le one le utufia. Se ia tofu malemo I le vai saria. O lele wa ta oto ata o malua fiti. Ai la fo ia le ata o fiti maupolonga. Ai va mai ua pula toa ma le fia le tapu itea. Nina ua tepa iata. Ai tanga I malama. Ao le maua li seu le vao. A ta lili le mafua whalau le lea le moana loa. Sa veo le olo leo tua au mafua malu. Ai siwa mani noa le ata manai e eida so. O le vi inga whafoi lo tato matai siri le langi. Leo o tato a inga sila whai. I le nei tae au mata ngofia. E a vea ilo leo. So mata ufata wā. Whai mafufonga tau mori mori. La fionga le tai fono. Malona lau a fono. Le komiti whafoi o le tato lau mua. E ale sua le presidente. Male asosio matua. E le fionga le nipule. Le sunga le mutpola. Ia le whetarangu foi le vai malai. Lau whetarangu asiata. Le paia ma le mamalu. O adi matamaitai whaiaonga. Aia le loa loa. O alo mawhanau. O le tato lau mua. Le whangaru ino foi le nofo tapuai. O si taulanga tutofi. O nopi ai mawhawhale le manu I maunga manu au sala. Le fionga ia la whaere te wanga. Le taitai o le tanga duenga. Sui lango ia Justin Paulo. Ai kai ngange ne mamalu. Le nofo am tanga duenga I wha. O le pa ia lava lea wā le aonga maaliero tō iwa. Lau whutarainga le matua ontongi o lau whutarainga le pia le awa ngang whoa. Fia soai malangi maalo ta malangi. Polo mwhautala o sa lue mangtai. Ma upu ia te oe le umoenga o le tūmua. Ai ase tangai malamlama le pa ia inga wha. Ma la au mwhau. E nofo ato o maangang sa ese ma maru maia oe le umoenga le matua. Ma lo whale tuia ana. O pa ia ma maru ia. O lo wha maru a walo tato lau mua. I maunga manu au sala nei. Ma tō te ofa alofa ma whātalo whātu. Whātalo whātu Samoa. Mai maunga te tere. Se ia pā ia se moe me whau. Whātalo whaeleo so ngā tū mua mapule. Tu au mā la taua. Ainga le tai ma le wā o whongti. Hele whangaringa whoi o tātou uso tu aoi. Amerika Samoa. Sua malwai whanua. Ko fo mai tulang sa olem sa mua ma le launino sa lua. E ale la una matas. To fale ula. Ma upu ia te oe le manua tele. Ma tō te whata alofa wha pitoa atu fo. I le mai mua wha fonga. Ale tātou pureanga wha aki e pikpo sa moa pia. Le tapua inga mamalu. Alana fionga la aki e pikpo fitfidia. Laua fionga mo sese. Lewa senga o taulanga fitfidia mo le ngaluenga le atua. A fionga tia kono mo la tō faltua. Lau whai ngaluenga tutofi. I tuenga sa, whapea matamaitai sa. O I tuenga ese. O lo puno wai. Tau suino le ipu vai o le ola. A wā nganga o le nu o le atua whatotua. Ea e le whangarina foi, o mātou a inga. Wō mau me mai. Lo whapeo na pāpā au ia tunu ma mau. I tu e fia o le neke lope, mātou tu whātaro whātu. E ka whai o tō maua mai le nei ala whāsara lau. Ai masalo la wili tonu le fia maina. Ya la de famu moe wa utasi ye fina ngalo ko bit fa foi. Le pa ia I matua. Pula onga malona awa. Tapi na ina. O fofo ina foi la mato tau sala online. Ida so lua se furu mala tolu o le masina nei. Mato fa tangi si ai. Sa o tau so soani. Toto finga ngalo malama. Ai mai se o le lofa. Ina ripule. Le lau mua ano mawhanau. Oni waenga fia whalelea wale atina ina o le tātou polisi. Amata mai na mātou hōru. Tele ni waenga fia whalelea. O potu aonga. Tele o a mātou potu aonga ero toi whaunga ina fo. Tūlanga lama lea o le fia whalelea. O ni waenga o le whale tonu. A wale le lei o le awa wina o alo mwhanau. O luma na i nu e kalesia ai mesi ainga. O a seta le tātou polisi. Lo toi fia whale leia. Nisi o a seta manao mia. O wala wa wha mata no fia inga. O le alu alu luma o awa wina o whanau. Leo mato wawarusia a whau lo tau finga ngalo malamalama. So tau fina ngalo alofa I alo mwhanau lalo waoa. O tātou pureanga whapea Samoa. Ua maa I ngā ruenga whatino. Ala whionga re ripule mana mamaru la inga whaiaonga. A pangalea wale so o lo mātou titi. Leo mātou wala awa tuai whaunga ina le nei ala whaasalalau. Mātou whaatangisia I sa o tau sosoani. Alo lofa mai. Ia sea mātou torisi o lo tau atinai. Fuafuanga uma o le tātou pokalame I laso luas fulmaritolu o le masina nei. Ia o le a amatadia I le iwa le tai ao. Se ia pa ia lo na itu la whaatulanga ina e mai ai nai. La mātou tatalo. Ia wala awa tu fo I tama matenu tuai uma na o tau ina la tātou polisi. Ia mai tātou nuti mea whatasi. Tātou a leanga whatasi. E toi whau la tātou polisi. Mo se le lei, ai maiso le lumanai o alo mo whanau. E a manu te le ina la whasausaunga Samoa. Fe au matiuti o lo whenga iai la so. La mātou talo, mo mori atu lo tosu soifua, so mātou wola. I la ea aso tau poina, tātou nuti mea whatasi. Ia e ala I lau foai. O upo ale tusi, e siri ale alofa o le atua, mo whamanuia I le na te foai, na I lo le na te taria. Upo foi wa masani ai, o se whale ai le leo na tāpena, e mauti noa le lei, o na maua lo na anu whale. O le walau atu lea, ma le tatalo atu lea, la fionga le ripule, tai fono, la fionga ia patere, sa nele tuila epa, ia le sunga le presidente, socio matua, ia alofa mai na tātou polisi. Manu te leina fufuanga o te toi ne yaso, pa manu ia tele le atua, ia fufuanga uma o le awhenga iai, matiu te masani, soifua.
Amazing grace. You know, they always allow me into the hanging chambers. Then when they bring down the body, they put the body on a stretcher. I would close the eyes in death, and they usually have the hands handcuffed at the back, and I had put a rosary. God is so present there. In that one moment, I know when I hear the lever and they pull it and they fall through the tap, I don't feel afraid. I just feel peace. And I know that Mother Mary and Jesus is there, and they have been there to receive them into heaven. This is a wonderful thing of my faith. From a very devoted family. My parents were from Kerala, and the faith was instilled in us from a very young age. At the age of 6, I was already going for Mass. Like there were, at that time, probably 6 of us in the family. Actually, we are 10. And my mom, every morning, she would wake us up. She'd wake the girls up in one room, then she'd go over to the boys' room to wake them up. Then when she came back, the girls went back into bed. So she did this until we were all wide awake. And she took us to Mass every morning. Now that is something, when I look back, that the Mass, the Eucharist, became so much a part of my life. After a while, my mom didn't have to wake me up, and it became a part of my life. And I feel that my love for the Eucharist starts from that moment. Every morning, and sometimes in the beginning she had to bribe us. Before we go to school, we go to Mass, and she said, okay, I'll take you to the coffee shop nearby and we'll have a lovely breakfast. But my mom knew that we needed nourishment for the body as well as nourishment for the soul. So I grew up loving the Eucharist, and I think that's where my vocation began. The very tiny seed was sown. My dad, with 10 of us, each one of us had his special love. And every time he came home from the office, we would be playing in the back lane. And when we know what time the bus arrived. And from the corner at the end of the back lane, we would see him coming. He was secretary to the Chief Justice of Singapore. So he had this uniform. He was always dressed in white. And we would see him coming. And all of us, maybe there would be 6 of us playing there, we would just run into his arms. Now that joy is something that is there with you forever. He retired when I decided to enter the convent. My sister had already entered, my eldest sister, a year before me. There was never any kind of negative attitude of my parents. Christmas seemed to be a bigger feast than Easter. And we went on the bus, and often people said, look at them, see how nicely they are dressed. And my mother would sit there in the bus and she would be beaming. with looking at us. So that's going to Mass, midnight Mass. After a while, as we grow older, we joined the choir, the girls. The boys became altar service. So after that, then we went to Mass at Novena Church. So every midnight Mass, we were there in the choir singing. And when we came home, we had our Christmas, kind of Christmas supper together. And the joy of just celebrating the birth of Jesus. And of course, we gathered together to prepare the crib. That was something that was the main thing in the house. And the Christmas tree. You know, nowadays Christmas trees come all with lights already decorated, right? But in our time, decorating the Christmas tree was a family affair. The children gathered around, put things on the tree, and whatever you wanted to, and the parents were there watching us. It was a real family affair. And it was so much joy. Well, we don't see that now. Of course, things have moved. It's a different world now. But those are my memories of Christmas. And I can remember the morning I told him, you know, I used to teach in the convent of the Good Shepherd Sisters, the kindergarten. And I used to bring my brother and sister to the kindergarten, the younger ones. And on that morning, 1956, he always reads the paper in the morning, and he had just resigned from his job because his eyes were getting bad. And I said to him, Dad, I'm going to the convent. And he said, yes, yes. He thought, go. He thought that I was saying I'm going to school with the two. And I stopped. And I said, Dad, I'm going to enter the convent to become a sister. And he slowly put his paper down and he looked at me. And there was no, you know, this is a man who had lost his job, who still had children to feed. My two brothers were studying in England. And he just looked at me and said, is that what you really want? And I had just finished my, what we call O-levels here, senior Cambridge, just out of school. And he said, you know, I can give you a tertiary education. Don't you want to wait for that? I said, no, no, no. If I wait, I will lose my vocation. Imagine at 18, I was telling him this. And he gave me his full blessing. With my mother, there was total giving. Now, I must say that there were difficulties. My first few weeks in the convent, I wanted to go home. I came from a very loving, happy family. I miss them. And I know that Christmas, the very first Christmas, I sat in the chapel. And I cried and cried and cried. And I didn't know my companion was also crying. We missed home. We missed our family, which is a good sign, I think. And in those days, the family visited you only once a month. And we look forward to this. And I could ask myself, what do you want? Whom do you want to serve? But it was wonderful that letting go. It was a gradual letting go. And you know, Jesus said, you give up your father, your mother, and you gain 100-fold, which is true. That's his promise. He gives us 100-fold. I mean, it was a very joyful occasion. My parents were there for my first profession. My father was still alive. It was a joy for him. He really, you could see, I have a photograph of him smiling away. Both my mom and dad were so happy. On that day, I received my first, what we call, obedience. I got the news that I was to be sent to Indonesia. And you know what happened in Indonesia, right? With the confrontation, all communication was cut off. And so I didn't have communication with my family for some time, for a few years. I was there for from 1959 to 62. It was a difficult place to live in because food was not, you know, in Singapore you get everything you want. Over there it was scarce. But I loved the work. I loved the children. I loved the girls that I was working for. These were difficult children, difficult teenagers. And that's what I wanted to do, and here was I working for them. I was happy working for them. And after, when I came back from Indonesia, I was in different ministries in Singapore. I was teaching actually. My first profession was teaching. I was a teacher in Primary 1 in Marymount Convent School. And then I decided one day when I felt that it was time for me to do something, not just looking after the teenagers. Now, if you ask me when this call to the prisoners came, I'd still say in my childhood. You know, during the war, my father and mother took us to Malacca. We traveled to Malacca and we lived on an estate. I remember my dad, he was concerned about our education and we couldn't go to school. So every morning we had to wait a long time for breakfast because the firewood, my mother had to cook it and it was so slow. So while waiting for breakfast, my father had this idea that he would teach us phonetics so that we would learn to speak well. So he had this little book with little verses. And I